The Samoa Weightlifting Federation has secured 1.9 million tala to host the first ever World Weightlifting Tournament in Apia from 23rd of April to the 2nd of May 2026. The 1.9 million tala is a combined donation from the government that donated 1.2 million tala and the Samoa International Finance Authority, who pitched in 700,000 tala. Prime Minister Laauliel Malietolle Watepola Taibao Fosi Schmidt announced a substantial government investment in Samoa's weightlifting future. The landmark event, set to be held at the Oceania Weightlifting Institute in Tuanaimato, promises to be a significant sporting event attracting 70 nations, 500 athletes, and 200 officials. The event marks a groundbreaking milestone from the Pacific region, establishing Samoa as a premier host for international sporting events. Prime Minister said this event is more than just a competition. It is a celebration of Samoa's capacity to host world-class sporting events and showcase our nation's strength on the global stage. He emphasized that the government's financial backing underscores its commitment to sports development and international engagement. Acknowledging the efforts behind securing the hosting rights, he acknowledged the Samoa Weightlifting Federation president, Tuopepe Asiata Jerry Warwick. Laoli also told the athletes that they are the true ambassadors of Samoa, embodying the nation's spirit, pride, and resilience. President Tuopepe said that the partnership signifies a pioneering milestone, not only for Samoa but for the entire Pacific region. Tuopepe stated that they are dedicated to delivering a world-class event that will leave a lasting impact well beyond their shores. With the combined government and private sector contributions totaling 1.9 million tala, Samoa is poised to host its most ambitious weightlifting competition to date. For more details on this and other of our stories, visit our news website on talamore.com. This is Jenny Vinehuro of Talamore Media.